So we all know it's a really good idea to wrap it before you get down and dirty. And that's what we're gonna do with Truett's bike. So, what are we putting on it? Oh,
Mate, what happened there?
oh my God.
I just fell from the skies. Mate, we are putting an Ebmx sticker kit on it. That's what we're doing. It's red and black. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look real sexy. Like when you wrap it.
So Truett's bike has looked like it's from a lower socio-economic place for quite a while. It's well and truly needs some love and some money spent on it. And we're gonna do it. So thanks to Ebmx for sending us this kit, and we're gonna put it on.
Let's do it. Right, let's install a sticker kit. Let's crack her open. Now this could be very boring, so I think we should cue the music. Bit of spicy B-roll. Yeah, yeah. Some of the good stuff. Bit of music, bit of me just putting on some stickers. Some stickers. Enjoy.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. Expecting a thought to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You kept it beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Right, that's it. Truett's bike is looking really fresh. It's nice to sort of have a bit of a finished product. Yeah, keep up with old Jared over here with Blingy McBlingy. So I think this looks pretty cool. The sticker kit is definitely a bit of a pain. Have some patience. It's very different to apply than what Jared's sticker kit was. It's a bit different. It was a bit more pliable, Jared's sticker kit. You could sort of just heat it up and stick it there and it would hold. But where this is, as Jared was saying, it's not bad, it's more of like a vinyl. So you got to sort of heat it up and sort of really hold it in the spot you want it until it cools, and then it's pretty well good. We've gotten it pretty well mint. I'm guessing over the next a few weeks or so, I'll probably be going back over it as it lifts a bit in certain spots, and really just trying to get it to settle in where I want it. But it's not too bad. It's a nice little sticker kit. I love the graphics. The more black than red looks really good, especially because there was just, to me, too much red on my bike. So I am very happy with it. Yeah, it's just, you got to have a lot of patience really getting in there with the torch or the heat gun, and really trying to, it's a fine line. You got to heat it up enough that you can get it to hold, but you don't want to heat it up too much that you just end up bubbling it and wrecking it, which we've done in a few little odds and sods spots, which kind of annoy me. Having a bit of OCD, it kind of annoys me, but not OCD, just being a bit of a perfectionist. So it kind of annoys me a little bit, but it's nothing to write home about. It definitely looks a lot better than what it did. A trick I can teach you, or tell you, with doing the battery decal, make sure it lines up. So put your battery in there, slide your decal down, and then make sure you line it all up here, and then mark it at the top where it sits, and then basically put it on, because you don't want to stuff that up because it'll look weird. So I made sure I did that. But that's really about it. Nice and simple. Nice little simple video, just installing some stickers. One thing I wanted to quickly say and touch on, guys, really appreciate all the support. You know, our channel's still, you know, what I would consider a small channel compared to the guys out there with millions and millions of subscribers. That's not us. But we recently hit 400 subscribers. Really stoked to have you guys on board. We love making videos for you. We're really enjoying it. It's hard work, dedication, but yeah, what good thing doesn't come with a bit of hard work? You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with that. So, no, as long as you guys keep supporting us, we'll keep putting out the content, and hopefully, you know, bettering the production and all the rest of it. I know this has certainly become leaps and bounds since when we first started. So to see that progression is really awesome. Yeah, just loving it. Just loving it though. Just really appreciate it though, guys. Yeah, couldn't thank you enough. We're just pumped to hit 1,000. So, you know, it's a big milestone for us. Small for other people compared to other channels. You know, we got thousands and thousands of subscribers. That's not us. But at the moment, we've just got 400 of you guys. And obviously, there's other people that are watching that aren't subscribed. If you aren't subscribed, just subscribe, like, do the things. I sound so cringy right now. I never thought I'd be saying this to a camera, but do it. Helps us out. Helps us out to bring you guys good content and truthful content. And obviously, we're not gonna just stay with Sur Ron stuff. We wanna, really just touch on everything electric wise, because it is the future. It's an awesome future. So let's say goodbye to combustion, guys, and really jump on board with this crap, because it is a sick place to be. Everything about it is just great. We love it. Yeah. Anyway, that's enough rambling on. I'll catch you in the next one.